Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Devkate. Welcomes you in next lecture of extension 242. Today's lecture is on consumer behavior. So in today's lecture we are going to cover this topic in that meaning and definition of consumer behavior, factor influencing consumer behavior, then consumer behavior model, and last one, that is importance of consumer behavior. Okay, so we studied one by one this topic. Okay, so first of all, definition of consumer behavior. The consumer behavior is the study of how individual or group of individual or organization select, buy, use and dispose the goods and services or ideas or experience to satisfy their needs and want, that is called as consumer behavior. That means, in short, this consumer behavior or buyer's behavior is referred as the behavior that displayed by individual while they are buying, consuming or disposing any particular product or services to satisfy their wants and need, that is called as consumer behavior. Okay. The consumer behavior is the decision process or act of people or individual in buying and using of that particular product is known as consumer behavior. Okay, so this is the definition of consumer behavior, that is, it is the behavior that displayed by the individual while they are buying, consuming or disposing any particular product or services, that is called as consumer buying behavior. Okay, after definition of consumer behavior, next point is factor influencing consumer behavior. So there are many factors that influence or affect the consumer behavior. In that, first one cultural factor, second personal factor, and third one is psychological factor. We see one by one these factors in detail. So first one, that is cultural factor. So the culture of individual vary from country to country as well as from state to state. That means, for example, Indian culture is different from USA culture or any other developed countries. Then second one is subculture. So in this subculture it includes religion and caste. So the consumer behavior is different in different religion as well as in different caste. Then next one, that is social class. So in social class, so there are some peoples which are under upper class while some are the middle class. So consumer behavior of upper class people is different from that of middle class people. So these are the different cultural factors which affect the consumer behavior. After cultural factor, next factor, that is personal factor. So in personal factor, these factors include the aspects that are unique to person and influencing the purchase behavior. That means these are the unique to person or individual. So these factors are age and stage of life cycle. That means according to age, the consumer behavior is different. That means young age, the consumer behavior is different as compared to older age. Then occupation and economic circumstances of that particular individual. So according to occupation as well as economic condition, the consumer behavior is also different. Then according to personality, consumer behavior is also different. The next one, that is lifestyle, activities, interests, opinion and values of that particular person. So according to lifestyle, this consumer behavior is different from different person. Okay. Also there are some money constraint, then time constraint, and also values and beliefs which affect the consumer behavior. So these are the two factors. After that, next factor that influence the consumer behavior, that is social factor. Okay, so this social factor includes reference groups, that means primary and secondary reference group. Also family, that means in family, number of members of family. Then role and status. These are the some social factors that influence the consumer behavior. After that, last factor, that is psychological factor. So this psychological factor, these are the internal to an individual, and also it generates the forces within that the consumer influence his purchase or behavior. Okay, so these psychological factors include motives, attitude, personality, and also learning. Okay, so according to these different psychological factors, the consumer behavior is different from different individual. Okay, so these are the different factors which affect the consumer behavior. After factors affecting consumer behavior, next point, that is model of buyer behavior or consumer behavior. So in this model of buyer or consumer behavior, there are three major sections. In that first one, that is marketing and other stimuli. Second one is buyer's black box, and third one is buyer's response. Okay, so first one, that is marketing stimuli. So under this marketing stimuli, it includes 4 P's of marketing, that is product, price, place, and promotion. So according to these 4 P's of market mix, the consumer stimuli, the marketing process or marketing behavior. Then other some stimuli, that is economical, technological, political, and cultural factors, that also responsible for stimuli or marketing stimuli. Then after first component, next one, that is buyer's black box. So this buyer black box is divided into two parts. One is buyer's characteristics and second one is buyer's decision process. So these buyer characteristics are nothing but the different factors that affecting the consumer behavior. These buyer characteristics include social factors of that particular buyer, then psychological factors of buyer, personal factors of buyer. These three factors are included in buyer's characteristic. Second part from buyer's black box is buyer's decision process. So this buyer's decision process is completed with 5 steps. These 5 steps are, first one, that is problem recognition. That means find out the needs and wants to be satisfied, that is problem recognition. After that, next one, that is information search, whatever the information related to that particular product. Then third one is evaluation of alternatives, whatever the alternatives which are available for buying or satisfaction of that particular wants. Then after that, purchase decision, whether to purchase or not that particular product. And last one is post purchase behavior. Okay, so these are the 5 steps which are included in buyer's decision process. And last component in model of buyer behavior, that is buyer responses. So in this buyer responses, there are major 5 points. In that, first one is product choice, which product to be select. Then brand choice, according to different brand, which brand is selected. Then dealer choice, from which dealer product must be selected. Then purchase timing, on which time or which season product will be purchased. And last one is purchase amount or price of that particular product. So these all are included in model of buyer behavior. So these 3 components, that is market or other stimuli, buyer's black box, and buyer response, are included in model of buyer behavior. After model of buyer behavior, next next point, that is importance of consumer behavior. So main purpose behind the marketing of product is to satisfy the demand and wants of consumer. Okay, so the consumer behavior study help to achieve this purpose of marketing manager or businessman, that is to satisfy the demand and wants of consumer. Okay, so first and major importance is to satisfy the demand and wants of consumer. Then second importance, that is as the consumers are most important person for marketer or salesperson, therefore it is important them to consider likes and dislike of consumer. Okay, so second most important point, that is while marketing consider the likes and dislikes of consumer so that they can provide them with goods and services accordingly. That means according to likes and dislike of consumer, the marketing manager as well as businessman provide the goods and services to that particular consumer. After that, next important, that is the more careful analysis help in more exact prediction about the behavior of consumer of any product or services. That means if there is more careful analysis of consumer behavior, then it is helpful in more exact prediction about any product or services. Then next important, that is it helps the marketer to investigate and understand the way in which consumer behave so that they can position their product to the specific group or group of people or targeted individual. So this consumer behavior helps the marketer to investigate or understand the specific group or targeted individual, that means market segmentation. Next important yet, this buyer behavior help to cater the consumer needs and demand. Okay, after that next one, that is study of consumer behavior help the business manager, salesperson and marketer in following ways. In that first one, that is decision the best possible product or service that fully satisfy the consumer needs and demand. Okay, that means according to this consumer behavior, this business manager or salesperson design the best possible product or services that satisfy the consumer needs and demand. Then second one, that is to decide where the product or services would be made available for easy access to consumer, to decide the price at which consumers will be ready to buy the product or services. Okay, so this consumer behavior also helpful for businessmen or salesperson to decide whether the product or service made available for easy access to consumer, and also it is helpful in decision of price or in price determination. Then after that next one, that is to find out best method of promotion that will be proved to be effective to attract the consumer to buy the product. Okay, also from this consumer behavior study, the businessman and also salesperson is find out the best method of promotion to attract the customer. Next one, to understand why, when, how and what and other factors that influencing the buying decision of that particular consumer. So this buyer behavior study help the factors that influence the buyer decision of a consumer. Then next one, that is to create and retain the consumers through the online store. Next important, that is to increase the knowledge of salesperson, influence the consumer to buy the product. Okay, also this buying behavior of consumer help to increase the knowledge of salesperson to influence the consumer to buy that particular product. Then it help the marketer to sell the product and create the focused marketing strategies. This is all about different importance of buyer's behavior. Okay, so in today's lecture we learn about buying behavior of consumer, definition, meaning, then factors affecting consumer buying behavior, then model of buying behavior, and last one, different importance of buying behavior. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. Thank you all.